only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay, 'cause I got it. Ooh, never been like you. I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Jodiela's vlog. I'm vlogging today because she said we could share the vlog, and it is morning. It is 25 to 12, so it's not really morning anymore. But we're going to the beach at our near our resort. Basically like a 13-minute walk, but we're going down there and then we're going to come back and play in the pool, so it's going to be a bit of a lazy sunbathing day today. And yeah, so yeah, Joe said I could start off her vlog. She's lounging on the set. I'm going to hopefully vlog. I'm going to download this app, which is not as good as Video Effects Live, but I'm going to try and vlog, so.
Everybody, welcome to today's vlog. So that was Kira vlogging that first bit, which you probably get confused when you're watching Jodiela vlogs and she pops up on the screen. Yeah, anyway, I'm in my bikini because, as Kira said, we're going to the beach and then we're going to the pool. She hasn't got enough storage. I haven't been in the pool today yet. Usually I go in the morning and it's about 11:30, but I haven't been in it. Just going to the sea. That's near our place. Then we're going, probably come back and then I'll go swimming or whatever in some meal or whatever. I want to try and get a better tan because I want to get proper tan. Yeah, I hope you'll enjoy the vlog. And by the way, I've just uploaded my Arriving Madeira vlog, which was a day late, and then yesterday's vlog, which is swimming in the sea, so that's on time. You can check them out. And also, this is my last day being 13, guys. Tomorrow is my birthday and I'm going to be 14, and I'm going to upload my birthday haul tomorrow because I have internet, so look out for that as well. Enjoy the vlog. So we're just walking to the beach and then we're getting a cable car to the beach, which I'm really excited about, because if you don't know what a cable car is, it's like online, you're going like a little mini car thing. I'll show you it anyway.
Horrible things that you have to feed Nike and Rio.
But look at that Jesus thing up there.
Jesus thing home.
That's scary as.
It's like
Beyond that, that's what it looks like.
This is so good. Why the nets there? We'd have had to walk all night.
She's free, you could have gone. She does like film. Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Don't stand up.
Stay here.
That cable car was so cool. The beach, really cool. Love it.
Must be a return one then.
Well, speakers are nobody down. Let's just jump in.
Whoa. This looks well good. I'm swimming, Daft. I look at all these people swimming. I'm so doing that. Wow, it's so well cool. We're going in the sea now, so probably won't record because my phone's literally about to overheat. So. Bye. Look how good this crap looks. Get off that.
Yeah, it's got ice cream in it.
Oh, amazing. Dad. So finish with the beach.
You shouldn't look down that way, is it?
And now back on the cable car. Look at it, it's fine.
Oh, it's really hot. Walking up that, you'd be safe by the time you're at the top. Overheat.
So back now, and I went in the pool, and now I've just run a bath and I'm about to get in it. I just need to put my phone on charge, and yeah, I think I'm gonna have tea later, so I'll see you guys soon. Guys, so ignore my hair, but I'm just in this black and white play suit, and we're going out for tea soon, but right now, because my phone's on charge, I'm just sat here on a cushion, and I'm just watching YouTube videos. It's really uncomfortable though, and I've actually wore socks. I haven't worn socks in ages, guys, in ages. Going out for a meal now. How long does the lift gonna take?
Yeah, the ones that you haven't seen anybody else. It's going to the garage. Why is it my hair?
Oh my god,
My hair grows so mad in the sun.
Scary. We're walking to this place for tea, and we're like walking along a motorway and Duncan. By the way, it's kids. So I done for the first time ever, I done my own hair, bought my own pie pony. I'm really proud because it's alright for the first time. And I've got this nice outfit on Jodie's white Converse. Jodie's wearing this lovely play suit. Like really nice. With a new Adidas jacket. And then she's wearing her lovely pink flats things. So yeah. Is it on me? Are you vlogging? You're vlogging. No,
350 times.
Nothing is it? It's like €30 a ton. Not even.
So just had the nicest burger. Very hungry.
chicken burger.
She's wearing my top.
It looks nice with the outfit.
And then my old shorts.
Well, it might.
Dano's daddy here.
I just got back and by the way, this is my play suit. It's like a black and white one with a little bow.
I'm getting my pajamas now. It's really hot in my room. Okay. Guys, I'm just chilling watching YouTube now. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And the next time you see me, I will no longer be 13. I'll be 14. You guys all tomorrow for my birthday.